Once upon a time, I was just browsing through a shoe store when something fascinating happened. People were telling me to follow them on Instagram for updates about their shops. The only catch was that their shop's name was a bit of tongue twister, like this. Typing that was a hassle. So I had an idea. Why not use snazzy QR code to simplify things? Instagram offers QR code for scanning, and I will show you how to make them look cool. But that's not all. We are also going to uncover the secret of using Linktree to bundle all your social media links into one easy to share link. Before we get into QR code magic, let me spill the beans on a game changing trick. If you have multiple social media accounts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, you can say goodbye to hassle of sharing each link one by one with Linktree. You can group all your links into one place and share just one link with others. It's a time saver for sure. Those people who have only one social media link, then you people can skip this next part of Linktree. Let's explore this convenience. First, go to the official site of Linktree from my description. Second, according to you, type your username. Then click on claim your Linktree, and that will let you to sign up page. Make sure your username is unique. Sign up through Google account, or if you have already an account, then log in. After login, type your username and continue. Now tell about yourself to Linktree and continue to the next step. Now select a free plan and click to continue. Now follow the customization of Linktree from the video. First, select profile image or upload your own. Second, select the theme as your choice and click continue. Third step, your Linktree. Copy and paste your all social media links or any other links one by one in Linktree. And in the customization, you can add your own thumbnail in each tag. And you can also add heading on your landing page. Now after all completing, copy your Linktree URL from the top of the page. Before we explore this AI tool, make sure you can create your account on it. You can find the link from the description below, and after that, follow the steps with me. First, click on Create Project, and here add your project name and Linktree URL. Now click on Create your project. Here is the first, uncheck the watermark, then select size in square shape. Now click on ChatGPT icon for 2 times or generate a random prompt. Then click here and wait for a minute. Here is your QR code because that is not the support in Android. So we make it with help of ChatGPT. The given prompt is also attached in the description with parameters which you can change according to you. The parameters are shown by parentheses in the prompt. For example, I will generate it for electronic shop. So I will give parameter according to electronic shops. When your prompt is ready, copy and paste it here. Then click on Generate and wait for a minute. Here is your generated QR code. You can scan it for checking its work or not. I'm sure it's work. If it is work, then comment below yes, it's work. So there you have it. The power of customizable and attractive QR codes. They make things easier for shop owners and their customers. You can find a reference prompt in the description below to help you make your QR code unique. Subscribe for more exciting content and we will catch you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.